Okay, 2 wires.
Are they hot when they plug back in? Oh, yeah.
When they plug back in, but black in the middle, white on the end. Okay. See this little hit thing here? See the little thumb tab? Press the thumb tab and take it out. It's just, this is what sends electricity to your power nozzle.
Okay.
It's the electrical hole right here. Okay? And then you have to take same bit screw. Okay? Except it's silver, because it's inside. It's not visible. And then you just lift the whole reel out. Now see right here?
If I need that whole thing.
Well, no. What Miele recommends is buying the whole thing.
Right.
The keeper is you drill a hole in this, because this is where it's loose. Don't pull it off, because if you pull it off, the spring will go.
Oh,
It's
right.
got a barrel spring in it. But if you see it moving back and forth a little, which it will, just a little, push this back on. You drill a hole here. You drill a hole here. It's mostly labor. Where the hell did they go? Oh, maybe they're in here.
I do not want to take this thing off.
What? No, you don't take it off.
No.
Don't.
Okay.
If you take it off, you can't ever fix it.
Okay. So, but what did you say? I don't want to do something, or it'll
Don't take it off.
send the spring going. Or?
Don't take it off. Yeah.
Okay, I won't take it off.
Oh,
What if
the
it
spring.
falls off?
Well, the spring's right there. It's a barrel spring.
I got you.
So it makes it retract.
Right.
Okay? If the spring comes off, you have to buy a new reel. Ah.
You
Cotter
get
pin.
plenty of things. Oh,
Split pin.
all right.
Okay?
I have those on
When you
hand.
drill a hole on each side, you run the split pin through it and you spread the end apart, and the wheel will never move away again.
Okay. Why would it be moving away though?
Because the keepers are broken.
What's the keeper in here?
No, the keepers are on this. It's what's holding this to on.
Okay.
When the keepers break, this moves away. And there's 4 contacts, 2 on each band for each wire inside, and it cuts on and cuts off.
So by cutting off and on, you think it's probably the keeper.
Right. It's pretty
Because
sure.
you know, like when I pull it out, and I have been, now that
You pull it out, it comes on, and when you pull it another inch, it cuts off.
Yeah.
Because it rolls off.
Okay.
There's nothing holding it. Now, if this comes off, just make sure you put it back in place. I mean, you could put a screw on it. You could put a rubber washer on it, as long as it's tight.
The main thing you don't want this
Don't
thing
want that to
coming
move
up and
away,
down.
right.
Okay.
Right, again.
So anything that,
And remember, see the words? Straight up and down?
what?
The words, straight up and down, so the reel goes in like this.
Oh.
So you got this hub, sits in that groove. Okay, watch. Move the wires out of your way. See, the screw tower goes right in. Okay, and I usually
How do you know white and
put the black on the inside and
Black
the white
on
on.
the
It doesn't make any difference.
Oh, that's
because electricity moves in a circle.
right.
So if you put it in backwards, it still works. Just, I always put the black on the inside and the white on the inside, because that usually coordinates with the wires.
Did I tell you, I've been watching, I went online and I tried to get, I was so upset with myself when I broke this, because
Now.
it's been a real,
This is your power nozzle, okay? You feed the 2 wires into the wire retainer, okay? See the little pin, the groove right there?
yeah,
You put this groove on there,
okay.
and it snaps in place. And again, to take it out, you just push that down and take it out, okay? Feed these wires down in there. You don't want them up top. They don't want to get smashed, okay? So we're all ready to go, okay? See? Works perfectly, okay? You want the wire to stick out, because you have to put the wire through the hole in the outer body.
Yeah,
Put it back. Now I still do this to make sure it's not pinched.
I see.
And my piece of wood fell out down there, so that's why my bench is sitting at an angle when the other lady was here. I usually start in the middle. There's no rhyme or reason. Miele doesn't. Doesn't have like torque specifications or anything. I just start in the middle and then work away.
What kind of torque do you put on there?
Well, I use it's on 1 now. I
Okay,
mean,
yeah.
just so you don't want to